Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve you've been assigned in with a temporary profile error in Windows 10 computer. So this error in Windows usually indicates that your regular user profile has become corrupted or is unaccessible. When this happens, Windows create a new temporary profile to allow you to log in. Any files or changes you make in this temporary profile will be lost when you assign out. And then I'll show you common methods to resolve this issue. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the method that we will do is to modify the registry editor. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu. And then here you need to type this registry editor. And then you need to tap or click this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then you need to click yes. And once you open up here at registry editor, so before to proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restart it back. In order to create a backup, so it's very simple. So all you have to do is to select the file tab here and then click. Then you need to select this export. And then here at export registry file, then you need to select on which locations you want to save the file and creating the file name. So just include with the date. So once you create the file name, and then you need to click this save. And then if you needed to import it back the file, so same procedures. So all you have to do is to click this file tab and then select this import. And then here at import registry file, then you need now to locate it in which folders you save the files, and then you need to click this open. Alright, so we will proceed now. So navigate the following key. Then next step, then you need to select this H key local machines. So you need to click this arrow to expand. And then next, you need to find and locate this software folder. So same, click this arrow to expand. And then here at software folder, then you need to find and locate this Microsoft folder here. Then same, click this arrow to expand. And then here at Microsoft folder, then we need to find and locate this Windows NT folder. So you need to scroll down and select this Windows NT folder. So same procedure, click this arrow to expand again. And then here now at Windows NT folder, then you can see this current versions. So all you have to do is to click again this arrow to expand. And then here at current versions, then you need to find and locate this profile list. So you need to scroll down again and select this profile list. So all you have to do is to click again this arrow to expand here at profile list. Then you need to find now the correct SID of your profile. So here now at profile list, then under here at profile list, you will find the SID specific to a user profile. Then you need to find the correct SID of your profile. So just in case you will find two SIDs with the same name, one with that back extensions here and the other ones without it. So you can see now it's only one SID here. So that it means this is my profile SID. So select the SID which doesn't have that back extensions. So all you have to do is to click one time here. And then on right Windows panel here, we need to double click and find this profile image string here. So we need to find this profile image path string here. So all you have to do is to select and double click. And then pop up this edit strings. So you need to check this value name, that profile image path. And then in the value data path, it would be direct to C drive semicolon backslash users backslash and then tape. So this one will change to value and replace your username. So if you will find this value data path that is C drive semicolon backslash users backslash team, then you need to change it to your username. So this is my username, C drive semicolon backslash users backslash, this is my name, and then you need to click this OK. Okay, so after changing this profile image path strings, then all you have to do is to close this registry editor And then we need to restart by clicking the power button here at left side corner. Then click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.